Alright, so in this video, I'm going to have fun trying out my new Ecoline Liquid Watercolors. Also continuing on with my Academy watercolor paper, having more practice with that. I also got a new size 8 Curry's 2400 series watercolor brush. The colors of the Ecoline Liquid Watercolor that I've got is 334 Scarlet, 578 Sky Blue, we've got 100 White, 205 Lemon Yellow, 601 Light Green, and I've got 700 Black. So I'm going to use all of these colors, just trying them out. I've also got water. I've got a little palette tray here, and yeah. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned paper towel. I really love these liquid watercolors from Ecoline, which is Royal Talons. It comes in a 30 milliliter glass jar, and it's got the squeeze. Oh goodness, I don't know what you would call it, but you squeeze out a couple little drops. I think it's really neat. So you only need a couple drops, really, at a time. You don't need to squeeze out a ton of the paint or the liquid watercolor. You can use it full strength, or you can add some water to it, which is really neat. I wanted to say the white here, it does come out thicker. I had to shake it quite a bit here, just because it was separating a bit. And at first I wasn't sure if it was normal for it to be so thick. So I looked it up and I saw another review, and they also mentioned too that the white comes out a lot thicker. So I just wanted to mention that if you try it, it seems to be completely normal. But it is a different consistency than the other colors. The white is, again, thicker. The other colors are just like pure liquid, which is really neat. So I'm just going to have fun and paint some flowers, see how it does. Blending, absorbing, spreading. I'm gonna have a ton of fun with this video for sure. So the first flower was full strength Scarlet. The second one is like this one here is adding water. This is awesome. It's like a nice light salmon color, which is gorgeous. But I love how vibrant and bright these liquid watercolors are. It's beautiful. I love it. Again, you can add different amounts of water, which will of course lighten up the paint. So the reason why I only got these colors is I wanted primary colors so I can mix, you know, start off. I didn't want to get a bunch of colors because I wanted to try it first. So I'm able to make, you know, all the different colors, but it's nice being able to add more water and change the color that way as well. So I'm adding in the sky blue and just watching it blend in. It's really neat. Just like watercolor, it blends nicely. Um, and with the Baohong Academy watercolor paper, again, I'm not sure if I said that right, but the Academy watercolor paper, it absorbs nicely and it also keeps it wet enough so the blending is really nice. This blue, I love. Love, love, love. Look at how vibrant and bright it is. It's gorgeous. So again, I'm just going to continue adding in different colors, and here I'm trying to see what it's like picking up. So now the liquid watercolor, I find it's more of a stain than actual watercolor. Like, if you get it on your hands, it's gonna stain. It's gonna be there for a bit before it comes off. Even washing your hands, it's gonna be on there. So I'm not sure about, you know, going on tables. I really would just watch and make sure you protect your countertop. I got some on the white countertop here and I was able to wipe it up, thank goodness. But I'm not sure how it would be with other material, just because it is more of a staining liquid. So just be mindful of that as well. You'll see me moving my hands like that. I'm talking to some people. They're watching me paint here, so I'm talking to them as I'm painting, and you can't hear the audio from it just because I had some movie playing in the background, so I couldn't use that audio. But I'm super excited, and I'm watching, and right here, I added some yellow into the center, and well, yeah, it just goes right into the blue. Makes a green, and it looks like tie-dye. And I love that. I was so amazed with it. I'm making tie-dye flowers. Like it's awesome. I was super excited finding out this how well it just blends and it just shoots out so nice and quick. It makes a really neat design. Just loving these. Loving these, and I'll definitely be getting more. But you know, to start off money wise and trying out, I just wanted to get mainly the primary colors and so that I can mix. Now these I got at a local art store. I know you can get them on Amazon. You can get them in a pack. I'm not sure of anywhere else. So if you've gotten them anywhere else, leave it in the comments. I know there's also different types of liquid watercolor that you can get as well. So again, this is the Ecoline, if I'm saying that right, from Royal Talons. And it comes in a 30 milliliter bottle. So I'm trying to show you up close the blending and tie-dye effects. See, look at how it spreads. It pushes the blue further, makes a green, and I just love the effect there. You can see I'm very excited with that. Yeah, these liquid watercolors are really fun to play with, fun to explore and blend and mix. They do well in mixing, and you'll see later on, I believe I mix with the white, and because it's thicker, so it does it's a different consistency. It's still nice. It's a little bit different than just the regular, like the colors, because of how like liquid they are, but it's still nice. It's more oh, I don't know what word I'm looking for. All I can think of is thicker. Yeah. So anyways, I'm just going to keep painting. I'm going to stop talking for a bit here. And I'm just going to keep having fun with these liquid watercolors and exploring them. All right, so this flower, I mixed the scarlet with the white, and you can see it's the thicker consistency. I think the word I'm looking for is opaque. So you can't, it's not like the watercolors. It's a lot thicker. You can't see through it. It's still nice. But again, it's because the white consistency is a lot thicker than the other liquid watercolor. And now I'm trying to blend in some of the scarlet, and I think I used just too much water. It's not blending nicely, or not as nice as the other flowers. It could also be the thickness of the paint, because I end up doing another flower and it just it doesn't blend and flow like the first flowers did. So again, I'm not 100%, but I'm wondering if it's because of the white and how thick it was. Still blends a bit, just not as much, and you'll see what I mean here. So now that I've had my fun with the flowers, I wanted to see how well the paint reactivates with water. Um, it it was great, just like watercolor. It I think because of how liquid it is, it activates a lot quicker. Now I haven't tested clearly, days of it dried on the palette. This was just a couple minutes, but it did dry, and the black ended up drying and looking more brown. So it was nice to add the water, and it just comes right back to the nice black, the same consistency as it was when I put some on the tray there. So I'm just showing you the bottle here and I'm going over with the people that I'm with the different uses that you can use, for painting and calligraphy. You can use it for, so a lot of different options. But yes, I love these liquid watercolors from Ecoline. I'll definitely keep using them, definitely get more colors. I just love how vibrant these colors are. And I love the squeezing tube at the, instead of just pouring it or having a tube that you just squeeze the paint out of. And this way you only do a couple drops at a time, and it doesn't just pour out. So you literally just gentle squeeze and a drop comes out, and you don't need that much. So I recommend these if you want to give them a try. It's decent pricing. I got it for $7.99 at my local store. I think a pack is roughly $65 to $75 maybe in Canada. So let me know what you think.
Thanks again for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.